Sup witches, got a new wand going to Kentville, California. This is a classic wand, chooses the wizard from Osborne's Wand Shop, and I really like this one. It is in our ancient style on our listing there, and it has runes of time, strength, and perseverance to go along with that ancient theme. And it is a very powerful wand made of alder wood, and it has a dragon heartstring core. And I'll go ahead and show you some close-ups right here. There we go. Here we got alder wood, dragon heartstring, and it is 13 inches long. And just to show some of this detail here, it's a very solid and hard wand with these runes of power here spiraling in between these over gaping vines. And then I carved these notches in here at the bottom of the shaft that kind of spiral and carry on through, and then it fades out with just slight bevels for the tip of the shaft. I love a good simple yet intricate design like this. Tell me what you guys think. But yes, this one's heading off to Kentville, California, and I am super excited to be doing these videos and to be making all the progress that I'm making. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, and keep an eye out for more. I've got a bunch that I'm just lining up and editing and going through.